Hi guys, this is Kai from Carriers.net, and today we're going to take a look at the lock screen by Prompt Mobile Center. So to start, we're going to install the application, and once you have installed the application, you'll actually have a settings page loaded onto your device. So you basically have two different kinds of settings, one to choose the lock screen from, and then the general setting to you change off the basic settings like hours and when the device should wake up. So to launch the setting, it basically turns on when the backlight goes off. So right now we set it as 10 seconds. So once we hit 10 seconds, the backlight will go off and the lock screen will be activated. As you can see, it says instruction here, long touch the screen to unlock, and once you touch it, there will be animation, and if you hold it, the screen will be unlocked.